Welcome back to Night News. Before we start, please like the video for more excellent content.
Oh wow, this is my fave.
Kids who climb on rocks, dog kids, sissy kids,
Even kids with chicken pox love hot dogs.
I love hot dogs.
The dogs kids love to bite.
No kiss kiss, no bang bang. And you were doing so well. Now, don't you have a job to do?
Gun, noun, portable firearm. This device was widely utilized in the urban wars of the late 20th century. Referred to...
Fuckers are fast, too.
You are fined 1 credit for violation of the verbal morality statute.
to as a pistol.
Look, I don't need a history lesson. Come on, Hal. Where the goddamn guns?
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
What? Fuck you.
Protect serve in place. 4 minutes, 15 seconds lapsed.
Maniac is imminent. Request advice.
With a firm tone of voice, demand maniac lie down with hands behind back.
Simon Phoenix, lie down with your hands behind your back.
What's this? 6 of you. Such nice, tidy uniforms. Oh, I'm so scared. What, you guys don't have sarcasm anymore?
See, according to Cocteau's plan, I'm the enemy. Because I like to think. I like to read. I'm into freedom of speech and freedom of choice. I'm the kind of guy who likes to sit in a greasy spoon and wonder, gee, should I have the T-bone steak or the jumbo rack of barbecue ribs with the side order gravy fries? I want high cholesterol. I want to eat bacon and butter and buckets of cheese, okay? I want to smoke a Cuban cigar the size of Cincinnati in the non-smoking section.
I appreciate you watching Night News. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.